Let's now look at the RMH Loyalty Program. First, double-click on the icon to open the RMH Loyalty Program software. You will now see the interface. On the left side, in the vertical menu, there are several tabs. The first one, Configuration. This is for importing or migrating customers' loyalty point or loyalty profiles from a previous system. Here we can see from Hero Point or Q Reward. The second tab is the Loyalty tab. This is how we configure our different loyalty programs. They can basically be a combination of collection schedule and redemption schedule, but it's also possible to add parameters such as accelerator, customer groups, and so on. The third tab, Accelerators. This is how we decide how to multiply collected loyalty points under some conditions. For example, it would be possible to double the collected points for purchases of $200 and up, or it would also be possible to triple the points for a given customer group. The fourth tab, the Redemption tab. This is where we determine how the accumulated points are redeemed. We have different choices. It could be dollar discount, percent discount, coupon, and so on. The fifth tab we're going to look at is the Collection tab. This is how we configure where our loyalty points are collected or how they're collected. It can be set to price point, basket point, and quality points. Let's now create a basic loyalty program. First, we go to Collection tab. We click on Add to create a collection schedule. Let's give it a name, give it a description, and a type. Here we'll choose price points, and save. Now we need to add some rules. Notice that the mandatory rules are in bold font. So the first one we're going to look at, point per unit. We save it. Then let's add a second rule. The rule we're going to add now is rounding. And we'll round down. We save it as well. Now let's go to the Redemption tab. Click on Add again. This is how we're going to create a redemption schedule. Let's give it a name. Redemption for the program we created, which is LP1, a description as well. The type for this one will be dollar coupon, and we click on Save. We also need to add rules here. First one, coupon limit time. Let's set the days before activation and the days after activation. Let's now add a reason code for the loyalty program. Save it. Then, reward value per point. For example, we'll choose 100 points for $10 rewards. And lastly, we had another reward value per point. For example, 200 points for $20 purchase. And we save. Now, let's go to the Loyalty tab. We need to click on Add to create a loyalty program. Let's name it the same way we have been so far. So Loyalty Program LP1, same description. And now save and add rules. For the redemption schedule rule, we select what we just created, Redemption LP1. For the collection rule, we choose our Collection LP1 rule. Click Save. And now we have simply created our first loyalty program. After setting up our loyalty program in the back end, let's now see how it will be used. Here is a receipt example from a repeat customer that is a member of our store's loyalty program. At the bottom of the receipt, you may see which loyalty program the client adhered to. In this case, LP1, the one we just created. The current purchase allowed the client to accumulate enough loyalty points to receive a $20 coupon on his next purchase. So the first line of the transaction details the item purchased, while the second line indicates that a $20 coupon is now available on file for the client's next visit to the store. Our same very loyal client comes back to the store and makes another purchase. He can then choose to redeem his $20 coupon. So the cashier scans the coupon. And as you can see, the $189 item is now $169 thanks to a $20 off coupon that was awarded to him through the loyalty program.
you.